Hey everyone, this is our Halloween Scary Sound Spooky Horn Kit. This is a really cool little unit, guys. It comes with two sounds on the thumb drive preloaded, and they're really long sounds. So it's a really cool unit to use during Halloween season. You can put it in your garage like I do at my home. I put it in my garage every year, and for Halloween, for trick-or-treaters, it's a really fun little unit for the effects and so forth. So I'll go ahead and play it. Like I said, it's got a lot of two songs that's really long, so it continuously play, but this is a really cool little kit. Not going to play it all the way through because it's pretty loud. That's why we got the horn facing down. It's a really loud unit. It comes with one horn. You can ask for an upgrade and put two horns on it. We've got the volume turned pretty low, guys. This is a loud little unit here. But this is our Halloween Spooky Sounds Horn Kit.